Hello, today what I'm going to do is show you a little bit more of the Wallet Wizard. I'm going to prepare a meal out here because this makes one heck of a kitchen tool as well, or around camp. We're going to use this one today to prepare a meal, and this here is made out of recycled cardboard, but I'm able to hold this like this and use it as a fire steel and not worry about cutting myself. So I hang on to that firmly and I can throw my sparks nicely. So I've got a small tinder bundle here ready. Gonna start my fire. Take this, my nice sharp spot right there possibly. Let's see if we can get this lit up. Oh, she's lit. There we go. As you see, works great for that. Put that in here.